Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, September 27. The Zen story for today is titled The Shadow That Bowed. They were walking across a ridge of dry, pale stone, the kind that turns gold in late light. The sun had begun its slow descent, dragging their shadows long and thin ahead of them. The monkey was humming, then stopped. Wait, the monk paused. Did you see that? The monkey asked, voice low. My shadow just bowed. The monk looked forward. The monkey's silhouette, stretched across the rocks, did indeed appear slightly bent, arms hanging loose, head lowered, facing the monk's shadow. It bowed, the monkey whispered, eyes wide, like a monk, or a mistake. The monk stood there watching. The wind passed. They kept walking. The next evening, they went near the edge of a quiet forest. The sun dipped again, throwing their forms tall and vague across the earth. The monk's shadow leaned forward now, subtle but unmistakable, toward the monkeys. The monkey saw it, froze. Now yours is doing it, it said. Why? Still the monk couldn't come up with an answer. They walked in silence for a long time. Then, without turning, the monkey muttered, I liked it better when they just followed us. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Do your habits merely follow you, or are they starting to speak back? Do your habits merely follow you, or are they starting to talk back? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Do your habits merely follow you, or are they starting to speak back? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.